Hi everyone, welcome to the classroom series of mathematics class with Zara. Today's topic is whole numbers. Whole numbers are numbers that are positive numbers that do not include negative, fraction, or decimal. For instance, 0, 3, 16 are whole numbers, while minus 5, 4.9, 1 over 2 are not whole numbers. Minus 5 is a negative number, 4.9 is a decimal number, while 1 over 2 is a fraction. There are various methods or systems for counting whole numbers. We have, for example, the Roman numerals. We have the tally system. The Roman numerals involve the use of alphabets to represent such numbers, while the tally system involves the use of strokes to represent the numbers. Roman numerals. 1 is represented with I. 2 represented with I. 3 represented with I. 4 IV. 5 V. 6 VI. 7 VI. 8 VI. 9 IX. 10 X. 20 XX. 30 XXX. 40 XL. 50 L. Looking at this, you discover that on getting to 3, which is high, 4 becomes high V. V is 5. By the time you are subtracting 1 from 5, it gives us 4. That's why 4 is IV. Likewise here, when you get to 6, 5 plus 1 is 6. 7, 5 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 3. On getting to 9, it is subtracting 1 from X, which is 10. Likewise 40, 50 is L, while 40 is 10 from 50, written as XL. 60 LX, 70 LXX, 80 LXXX, 90 XC, 100 C. 100 is C, 90 is 10 from 100, XC. By the time you get to 200, it becomes CC. 300, CCC. 400 is what? Let's pick 500 first. 500 is D. So 400 will be 100 from 500, which is what? CD. 900 is what? 1000 is M. So 900 becomes 100 from 1000, which is CM. Write in Roman numeral 1, 73. 73 can also be written as 70 plus 3. And 70 is 50, 10, 10. That is L, X, X. Then 3 becomes high. So 73 is LXX, high. 949. This can be written as 900 plus 40 plus 9. 900 is CM, that is M minus 100. 40 is XL, 50 minus 10. 9 is IX. So 949 is CM, XL, IX. You want to write CDLXXXII in figure. CD is 400. How? 500, 100. C is before D. D is a larger number. So we are subtracting 100 from 500. The next one is LXXX. This is 50, 60, 70, 80. We are adding this because it is after a larger number. And then we have XL. The X before the L is 40 because L is the larger number and X is behind it as a smaller number, so we are subtracting. So the next one is high, which is 3. This becomes 400 plus 80 plus 3 to give us 483. Tally system, the use of strokes to represent whole numbers. We want to represent 3 in tally system. 3 is written as 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. Why 7? We are going to be writing it 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to the fourth stroke, you cross it out. The fifth one is crossing it out, representing 5, 6, 7. 12 is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Place value. We want to identify the value of each of the digits of these figures. You start from your right hand side. The last digit is units. The next one is tens. The next is 100, then thousand, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, million, tens of million, then you continue hundreds of million, then billion. This implies that the place value of 2 in this figure is units. 2 is the unit, or you write it as simply 2. The place value of 9 is tens, which you can write as 90. 9 tens, 90. 7, the place value is 100, which you can write as 700. The place value of 8 is 1000. 8 is 1000, which is 8000. The place value of 1 in this figure is tens of thousand. 1 is tens of thousand, which is written as 1/10,000. The place value of 4 is hundreds of thousand. 100,000, which is also 400,000. The place value of 3 is million. 3 is million, which is written as 3 million. The place value of 1 is tens of million, which is written as tens of million. Let us identify the place values of the digits in this decimal number. This is a decimal number because it is having a decimal point. The numbers before the decimal point are whole numbers, while the numbers after the decimal point are fractions. So now the place value of 7 is units. The place value of 8 is tens. The place value of 4 is 100. Now coming to the numbers after the decimal point, the place value of 1 is tenths, while the place value of 3 is hundredths. The place value of 2 is thousandths. The place value of 9 is tens of thousands.